Hi, welcome to Kishmas. So, those who have not subscribed the channel, kindly do it, and also please take the membership. So, we'll be sending you the stuff. Okay, I'll ask you a few questions. Okay, in terms of about life in general. So, how are you enjoying life in Kolkata?
Actually, we are students, so
Okay.
we generally enjoy our weekends mostly.
Okay.
And Kolkata is quite nice, and weekends
Okay, okay. So, if someone like you are from, you both are from.
yeah.
Okay. So, what are the dislikes? I mean, if you compare to your place to this place, what do you think is like differentiates that place to here?
Obviously, Bihar is our known place, so
Okay.
we feel better than the Kolkata.
Okay. And in terms of what do you like? Do you envy Kolkata, or like what do you think about Kolkata and Bihar? Like, what do you dislike
no,
about?
Kolkata is the sweetest place you ever visit.
Okay.
Kolkata is a place, Kolkata is a place of city of joy. So
Okay.
like this.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And in terms of Bihar, what do you think that the likes and dislikes of Bihar?
You can't find the best place of litti chokha here, I guess.
Okay. Acha, just one thing. Like, this is out of curiosity.
Yeah.
How do you maintain yourself? Like, what are the makeup patterns and everything that you use? Do you use any routines, or like you only do this foundation and whatever products that you have, or do you think that there is something like in terms of organic routine or something that you follow?
I'm not so fond of so much makeup and all.
Okay.
Like pretty much sunscreen and moisturizer, and that's enough.
Okay, I don't know if they are lying or not. That it's not my answer. Okay. Acha, if someone maybe do you into clubbing, or like in Bihar especially? Like, I think that's a dry state, right?
Yeah, it's a dry
Okay.
state.
So I don't think you can do much clubbing over there, right? Like
Yeah.
in Indore, Mumbai. So how do you what do you think that over there maybe like should they consider that, or like should they think that this is not something that is good?
I don't think so. That is so much common in Bihar. Like it's a dry state, obviously. So
Okay.
you cannot find so much common things in Kolkata.
Okay. And you are into which stream? Like, what do you study in medicine? Like medical?
Actually,
You are into medical, right? Both of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you study?
homeopathy.
Okay. So do you think that out here the medical colleges are like worth enough? Like, people should come and visit?
Sure. You can visit our colleges also.
Okay.